Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greg Lama, GGM. Today, I am going to make catfish pepper soup, point and kill pepper soup, the Nigerian way. I'll show you the ingredients. Of course, I'll leave the list of the ingredients in the description box, but I'll show you how to do it step by step. It is very easy to make. Join me in the kitchen. The first step is to cut and clean the catfish. Meanwhile, before I continue, please like, comment, and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Catfish has this slimy substance on its skin. Research says that it is for their own protection, to protect themselves from predators, but as we are going to cook it now, we need to remove that substance so that we can be able to enjoy the fish. And in order to do that, I am going to use salt and lemon juice. Let me tell you one thing: if you don't wash the fish very well, if you don't remove that slippery substance, the taste of the catfish when you finish cooking it will be zero. So you must have to clean it very well, very well. So in order to do that, you pour in salt on the fish, rub it very well on the fish, all the fish, rub it very well. It's like you scrub the fish with the salt, and then you add lemon juice and scrub it very well, and then wash off with enough water, with abundant water, and the fish will be clean, will be free of any slippery substance or any slimy substance. That is a very necessary and important step. You see that it is now neat, very clean. Next, we pour hot water on the fish. This is to prevent the fish from breaking down when we are cooking it. If you are selling the catfish pepper soup, you must use this step. If not, there will be particles, there will be fish particles everywhere. But if you are enjoying it at home, if you like, you can skip this step. You can decide not to pour hot water, but just pour hot water. Immediately you pour the hot water on the fish, you remove it from the pan and then place it in a pot, a wide pot, because if you don't have space to be turning the fish, it will break. Now we add the ingredients: ginger, crayfish, basil, and then chili pepper. Those are the ingredients that I just added now. And then onions. I blended some scotch bonnet pepper earlier on, so I just rinsed the blender and poured the water into the fish. And now I'm going to add seasoning cube, and then seasoning powder. That is fish seasoning powder. I'll try to let the ingredients touch every part of the fish. That's what I'm doing now. And then I'll put it to fire and cook for 20 minutes. Fish doesn't need much time to cook, and your catfish pepper soup is ready to be enjoyed. The aroma of the fish alone, because of that the leaf that I use, the basil that I use, it is heavenly. It is so delicious. So that is it, my people. That is it, my lovely ones. Your catfish pepper soup, your point-and-kill pepper soup is ready. I know you like it, so leave a like, a comment, and then share the video also so others will enjoy and learn from my recipe. Okay, now let's go and taste our pepper soup. Let's taste it. As you can see, it came out fine. If you follow the steps that I just showed you now, they will come out this way. They will not break. You see how it came out? You can use this pepper soup for, you can eat it alone, you can eat it with rice, or just this way, and it's okay. So now let's test our catfish pepper soup. Wow, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You will like it. Try it at home. Thank you. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. If you have, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.